Local news for Thursday the 16th of August. Smile New Zealand is offering free dental care to low-income adults. Adults with community services cards can now book in for the free service, which is being offered at the Masterton Dental Clinic. And as dentists across the country prepare for it, the free clinics will open between the 10th and 22nd of next month. South Wairarapa District Council are undergoing a review process of their representation under the Local Electoral Act. The proposal is to keep arrangements with the status quo. Submissions close at 4 p.m. on the 21st of September. And Castle Point has been named as a finalist in the Keep New Zealand Beautiful Awards, confirming its position as a favourite spot amongst locals and fellow Kiwis. And one of New Zealand's top country stars, Brent Gare, will headline the 2019 Wairarapa Country Music Festival, being held in January at Tauhera. Previous events have attracted large crowds and more than 250 motorhomes and caravans. And in sport, some key matchups in tomorrow night's Premier Netball, with Harcourts taking on Gladstone Gold and Carterton playing Celtic. And in Prem Reserve Saturday, Carterton will play Gladstone in what should be a close game. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.